Hello students, today in this presentation you are going to know basic introduction of programming language Java and BlueJ. In continuation, you will also see what is the Java compilation and how it is different from ordinary compilation. Now let us start what is Java. Java is a general purpose complete object oriented language developed by Sun Microsystem of USA in 1995. Initially it was called as Oak by James Gosling, one of the inventor of the language. No any program can be done without class and object. Even the main method of Java also resides within a class. Java does not support the concept of global function or method. One class must be used in every program of Java because of object-oriented programming language. The language derives much of its syntax from C and C++. Java is strongly associated with the internet because of the fact that first application program written in Java was Hot Java, that is a web browser to run applets on internet. Internet users can also set up their websites containing Java applets that could be used by other remote users on internet. So we can say that Java is popularly known as internet language. Now you can see Java applications. Java applications are classified into four categories: stand-alone applications, web applications, enterprise applications, and mobile applications. So first we take stand-alone applications. Stand-alone applications are also known as desktop applications or window-based applications. These are traditional software installed on every machine. Acrobat Reader, Media Player, antiviruses, inventory control, payroll management system are few examples of stand-alone applications. AWT and Swing are used for creating stand-alone applications. Next, web applications. Web applications run on the server side and creates a dynamic page. Currently, Servlet, JSP, Struts, Spring, JSF are few technologies used for creating web applications in Java. Third is enterprise applications. Enterprise applications are distributed in nature such as banking applications, etc. EJB is used for creating enterprise applications. And last, mobile applications. Mobile applications are created for mobile devices. Currently, Android and Java Micro Edition are used for creating mobile applications. In this slide, you can see Java editions. Java editions are also known as Java platforms. These are Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, Java Micro Edition, and Java FX. So first, Java Standard Edition. It includes Java programming application program interfaces such as java.lang, java.io, java.net, java.util, java.sql, java.math, etc. It includes topics like object-oriented programming, string, exception, multi-threading, networking, swing, like that. Next platform is Java Enterprise. Java Enterprise is mainly used to develop web and enterprise applications. It is built on the top of Java Standard Edition platform. It includes topics like servlet, JSP, EJB, JPA, etc. Third platform is Java Micro Edition. Java Micro Edition is a micro platform which is mainly used to develop mobile applications. And last, Java FX. It is used to develop rich internet applications. It uses a lightweight user interfaces. Now, Java Essentials. A Java program passes through three stages. These are write or create the program, compile the program, and execute the program. In first step, an editor is needed to write the Java source code. Here, the source code is saved in the file which contains the extension .java. In second step, the source code is compiled by the compiler and generated intermediate code is saved in the same file as created in first step with the extension .class. It is also known as class file. And last, finally, in third step, the class file is interpreted by the interpreter and produce the final output. In this slide, you can see Java editors. There are various Java editors used in Java programming. Some of these are Notepad, Eclipse, NetBeans, JCreator, Processing, BlueJ, Kava, JBuilder. BlueJ is an integrated development environment that includes templates and will compile and run the applications for you. BlueJ is often used by classes because it is not necessary to set class paths. BlueJ has its own sets of libraries and you can add your own under preferences. BlueJ offers an interesting GUI for creation of packages and programs. Classes are represented as boxes in BlueJ. Now you can see traditional compilation. It is also known as ordinary compilation. In the figure, you can see all platforms, whether Windows, Unix or Macintosh, are using its own compiler and generate individual machine code. Therefore, such programs cannot be used on internet because on internet computers with different platforms are linked all over the world. This is also called a one-stage compilation. In this slide, you can see Java compilation. Java programs are compiled as well as interpreted. Thus, Java is two stages compilation process. In first stage, Java source code is compiled and compiler generates the bytecode. Bytecode is an intermediate code common to all kind of platforms as you can see in figure. Further, in second stage, bytecode is converted into an executable machine code by an interpreter called JVM. As you have seen in previous slide, Java Virtual Machine differs platform to platform. It means all platforms having own JVM or interpreter. That is why we say Java is strongly used in internet programming. Now I conclude this session and hope you will definitely get few questions related to this presentation in your examination. Thank you.